Oh, how can we put a day off? Relaxing. You two usually take the days off together.
Right, we've got it booked. We've got it booked in a fire dentist because there's a dentist street.
It's not been for that.
Oh yeah, it's really wet. Oh yeah, you've got to pay like £400 or something. I just like Luke.
No, that's what's that? Because he needs a cram filling or something. Oh, that is expensive. Can him save his pennies. Dentist is no joke.
I just had some of this. I'll get booked.
How much will it be at your place then? Tell him what time to fill it.
That's what it's going to find out still.
Yeah.
Doctor said to me, he needs a help.
That's a no, that's a no. Alright, then you get the four together. You can do it.